front wheels went up like it's showing off, then dropped like a bad mic and left the wheels behind. Ever tried driving with an accelerator on your steering wheel? It's like shaking hands with chaos. Trust me, I have one, and if you're not used to it, it's a wild ride waiting to happen. What do you do when the vehicle breaks down mid-mission? Well, if you're committed enough, you keep going anyway. Delivery on time, even with broken parts. That's not logistics, that's obsession with a deadline.
The remote control tractor is pretty cool.
Slim tractor, steep hill. What could go wrong? It turned right into a flip. Gravity wins again.
Rocks limited the roll of the tractor and create a braking zone for the operator. And the operator stayed inside. He has a seatbelt for.
They tried to pull it from the front. Big mistake. The whole front just snapped off like, nah bro, I'm out. Flipped tractor? Don't worry. The claw machine is here. Boom. It's upright again. And now it's raining glass. If getting buried in machinery counts, congratulations, you're officially a heavy haul driver now. Just don't forget your badge, helmet, and the shovel you'll need to dig yourself out.
Let's go. Let's go.
See here tonight. All the types of motorsports you go to, whether it be stock car racing, drag racing, you want to be as light as possible. Not in tractor and truck pull. You want to be right at that maximum weight. Do we have any John Deere fans out there tonight? Let's hear from our John Deere fans. Come on, let's go, Reed.
If you've ever wondered how to instantly dismantle a John Deere, well, you're about to find out. One move, one mess, and one very broken Deere. That's less repair and more demolition. Here's a golden rule they clearly skipped in tractor school. Load balance is everything. Heavy cargo in front, light in the back. Get it wrong, and you'll star in a clip just like this one. The Case Magnum 8940 isn't just plowing, it's carving a trench like it's slicing through butter. And that guy just sitting there, chill as ever? Either he's used to it, or he's completely numb to chaos. Tree versus tractor, but the tree's doing the Harlem Shake. I don't know who's winning, but that shockwave just shook my soul. 3 tractors, 1 mud pit. This ain't a rescue. This is a tractor family reunion. Little guy got bullied until Big Bro and Big Bro's Big Bro showed up. This tractor isn't going anywhere unless it's straight into a repair shop. It's stuck solid. And that little puff of white smoke? Yeah, that's the machine gently whispering, "I give up."
Prøv igjen.
Kom nummer einer. Raphael, kannst du halt nicht mithalten? Boah. Boah. Oh. Wir sind wieder zurück. Oh, oh, oh. Hoffentlich kommt er in den Stück. Oh weh! Jetzt liegt er oben.
It's 1 silo, just 1. But apparently, it takes 2 fence to finish the job. I thought 1 would be enough. But hey, teamwork makes the wreck work. You know what's wild? Watching people make recovery way harder than it has to be. They could have just unhooked the implement, pulled the tractor out, then gone back for the rest. But no, they chose the scenic, stressful route. Heavy wood, deep snow. Sounds like a trap already. 2 guys climb the front like human weights, and somehow the tractor walks out like nothing happened.